reset the code of a Shopify theme, you can follow these steps. Access theme code. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to Online Store, Themes. Find the theme you want to reset and click on Actions, then select Edit Code. Backup existing code. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to create a backup of your theme's current code. You can do this by copying the code files and saving them in a separate document on your computer. Reset theme code. In the theme editor, locate the file or files that you want to reset. You can reset individual files or the entire theme code base, depending on your needs. Click More Actions. At the top right corner of the theme editor, click on More Actions. Select Rollback. From the drop-down menu, select Rollback to this version. This will revert the theme code to the last saved version before any changes were made. Confirm Rollback. Confirm the rollback action. Shopify will notify you that all unsaved changes will be lost. Save changes. Once you've confirmed, Shopify will reset the theme code to the selected version. Click Save to finalize the rollback.